Chevrolet's Vortec Bow Tie cylinder head. This is a hybrid Chevrolet Vortec head. Of course, everybody's familiar with the Chevrolet Vortec head. Came on passenger trucks back in the 90s and 2000s, and it's a head that's used on the 602 crate engine. A little bit smaller intake port, just has one intake pattern, one valve cover pattern. A nice head for Sportsman limited applications, and of course the crate application works really well. Its big brother is this Vortec Bow Tie cylinder head. It's been out for many years. The only version currently available is the casting number 351C, and it's a 180cc version. Chevrolet calls it 185, they're actually 180. It has both intake manifold bowl patterns. It has both valve cover bowl patterns. You can put any intake manifold on, or center bowl or perimeter bowl valve covers. It's an excellent cylinder head, a little bit more of a performance cylinder head. At one time Chevrolet did make a larger version that was like 220 cc's several years ago. They discontinued that. Some of the things about this particular head, it's a straight plug head, which is neither here nor there. I don't believe there's any difference performance-wise between straight plug and angle plug, especially if you're running a flat top piston. Works extremely well with a flat top piston. This can be surfaced easily down to 56, 57 cc's, giving you 11.5, a little more than that, compression on a 355. If you want more compression than that, you need to have a specially designed dome for the Vortec chamber. A regular Chevrolet small block dome will not work with this particular chamber, but that's not common to have somebody want that much compression. And again, it's a very versatile cylinder head because you can put both intake manifolds on. Now, as far as porting work to this, we do several different programs. We do our performance prep, which we have a video series on the performance prep. That's no undercover work, no porting work. That's basically taking the heads out of the box, inspecting them, pressure testing them, honing the guides, doing the valve job, doing the chambers, and so on. That's for guys who maybe their application doesn't need any porting work, maybe a boat application or maybe a race application where the fellow just wants to run stock cylinder heads. And then of course we have our undercover porting program. We just invested a fair amount of resources in a new program for these because the head changed over the last couple of years. So this is an excellent program. Airflow is solidly into the 255, 260 range, 202, 16 valves. In stock form, the intake flow is about 230 to 235. So that's an excellent program. And then we have a CNC Sportsman ported program. This one gets the CCs into the mid 190s, and same cylinder head. The airflow is going to be into the 265 to 270 range with a 205 valve. And this is an excellent alternative, to the 200 Iron Eagle, which is currently right now, this is fall of 2020, the 200 Iron Eagle has not been available for quite some time. It may not be available for quite some time, if ever. And this head actually works a lot better than that 200 Iron Eagle on a limited application 2,900 pound or heavier car with a 2-barrel and limited compression. If you're running against one of these undercover ported Vortec Bow Tie, you're generally looking at the rear bumper most of the time because it's an excellent cylinder head, throttle response, torque-wise. Engine runs cooler with it. This is one of our favorite heads to run if it's legal for the class and if it fits the class. Okay, if the engine is a little bit bigger, a little bit more RPM, a little bit more compression, this head at 185 cc's is just about perfect for most of those applications. And as far as intake manifolds are concerned, what we do with these is we open up the intake port width on them so you can put any intake you want on. A real popular intake is an Edelbrock 2814. That's specifically designed for the Vortec Bow Tie head. World Products also has an intake that's specifically designed for this cylinder head. It's a high-rise intake manifold. Sometimes they're not available. So we've redesigned the intake port opening so you can run something like a 2825 Edelbrock Super Victor, or if you run a dual plane intake, a 7116 or a 7101, they'll fit on here. What won't fit on the Vortec Bow Tie would be a 2101 because that's a standard intake manifold and it does not have enough material to cover the top of the intake port. So that one will not work. And as far as surfacing, they can be angle milled, and intake gaskets are readily available. Felpro has a 1289, which is your standard 16th inch thick, and they have a 1289-5 with the 1/8" stick, which sometimes you have to use for angle milling. So if you're looking for excellent performance, longevity, and something that's going to work well in a wide variety of applications, strongly consider your Vortec Bow Tie Silverhead. We've got all kinds of good programs for them. And once we get done with them, we can forward the flow numbers to your camshaft people for a camshaft, because they generally need those numbers. And we can also modify your Vortec bow tie heads if that's the case.